Hello, this is my CS50 Web Development first project for week 1. Under the same project, we were supposed to make a search bar which is quite similar to that of Google, and which should have 3 pages for different type of search as per in the first specification requirements. And this is my first page. You can check the URL for the same. This is currently locally hosted, and this is my first page. As per the specification, has the same aesthetics that of a usual Google page. It has a search input box which has curved uh, borders as per the requirement. Along with the same, I have uh, gone a bit different than that of specification. Instead of adding a search button at the bottom which has to be center aligned, I add a button which is connected with that of the search bar, because now it is more common with Google. Along with the same, I have this kind of button which says I'm feeling lucky today, as per one of the specifications stated in the project. So now if we click on image search, we can go to this page where we can search for images, and we can go back to Google search too, and this is the advanced search page. So let's see how it works. I'm gonna write something like Harvard, click enter, and this is the result. I'm redirected to Google page, and the QA is Harvard, because the Q is the name of the parameter that I was specified in the text box. Let's see how the image search works. Let's type Harvard again, and we should see the pictures in this case as expected. Now it's time for advanced search. It is currently like similar looking to the actual Google page for advanced search. You can check it right now. This is the actual page, and this is my page. Uh, like as per the specification, we are only supposed to add 2 forms. mm, and yeah, that's it. So let's type some parameters. mm, yeah, so that's the result. Yeah, one of the requirement was that if we click on I'm feeling lucky today button on the index page of our Google search, we should be redirected to the first result given by the Google itself. So let's see how it works. So currently Google is showing Google Doodles as the first result for I'm feeling lucky today. So that is actually being displayed by my button. So yeah, so I think I've added to all the specifications stated in CS50 web page requirements. So yeah, that's it.